Hi guys, this is Shishir Sharma and welcome to Master Medium. In this video, I have conducted a mock IELTS exam and by the end of this video, I will let you know how much band the student was awarded for her performance in this mock test. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
What's your full name
My name is Archana Pathak.
and how may I address you?
You may call me Archana.
Alright, can I see some identification proof? Thank you. Basically, where are you from?
I'm born and raised in Baroda, but from quite a few years now I have been settled in Mumbai.
Okay, and what do you do at Mumbai?
I'm theatre artist.
Can you elaborate on that?
I act in plays, mostly negative leads. In fact, I have also performed in many plays in India and abroad.
Alright, let's move on with part 1 of the speaking test. How often do you feel bored?
I usually don't get easily bored, but when I have to wait in long queues, or let's say waiting for anything for that matters, reduce me to tears.
Okay, what are the other things that are boring for you?
Watching drama genre movies, they are really, the concept is really radical. And talking about movies, sometimes I find YouTube videos also illogical.
Alright, do you feel that young people easily get bored?
Yes, I do feel young people get easily bored. Blame it on technology. Technology nowadays is so very advanced that everything is on tip of the finger, and so young people don't know what it is to be patient, what it is to wait like older generation.
Okay, do you feel that you are a workaholic person?
Yes, I consider myself workaholic. I usually work for 12 to 14 hours a day.
Okay, and how often do you take breaks?
People may say that taking several short breaks is good, but for me, taking one long break is more important.
And what do you do in that break?
I usually take a nap of about 1 or 1.5 hours. That is really refreshing for me.
Alright, this is the end of part 1. Let's move on with part 2. I'll give you a question card on which you'll have to speak for 2 minutes. At the same time, I'll give you 1 minute to prepare.
Okay.
You can make notes. Alright, Archana, your time is up. You can start speaking now.
Scotland is the country I would like to more about. Uh, its scenic beauty captured my heart. I consider myself curious by nature, but then I watched this movie way back in, let's say, 16, and its name is P.S. I Love You. There, Scotland was picturized so beautifully. Lush green fields, valleys, colorful flowers. Everything was so beautiful. In fact, they also gave the glimpse of music and tradition. So it skywed my interest more. And then after that, I Googled it. I Googled Scotland and I found quite a few fascinating facts about it. Like, bagpipe is not originally from Scotland, it is from ancient Egypt. Whiskey, which is so famous in Scotland, is not from Scotland, it is from China. And even kilts are not from there, they are from Ireland. And then there are castles, they are huge gigantic beauties, and I would really like to know about the architecture, the history behind it. I would like to know about the food, the tradition, people, festival. The whole country is so fascinating and historically rich, so I would really like to visit, hope so in near future, to know more about it.
Alright, you can stop now. Let's move on with part 3 of the speaking test. What do you think is the best way to learn foreign culture?
Well, there are many ways to learn any culture for that matter. There are books, there are informative videos, encyclopedias, but according to me, If you want to learn foreign culture, you have to be in that particular country to experience it at first hand basis.
All right. And do you feel more people will travel in future?
Yes, I do feel so. As globalization is progressing, people are bound to travel more, maybe for work, for pleasure, for anything.
Okay. And how long do you feel that the impact of COVID-19 will remain on tourism?
I don't think it would remain for long, not more than 4 to 6 months.
Okay. What kind of challenges that people face when they visit a foreign country?
According to me, foremost challenge is language barrier, and then there is food, different culture. Sometimes people even feel lonely when they are far from their families.
All right. So, Archana, this is the end of our speaking test. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, that was the mock test. Now let's analyze her score. In terms of fluency and task response, she did speak clearly and express her ideas quite effortlessly. At the same time, she was confident. Now, she developed the topic fully and appropriately, that is much needed for a 9 band score. Looking at her lexical resources, she did use the vocabulary up to the mark. At the same time, she could effortlessly use idioms. Now, this is a sign of a native speaker. Analyzing her grammar, she did use the entire grammatical range, but there still were few noticeable errors. And finally, though her words were clear and easily understandable, there still were few pronunciation errors. So overall, her score is 8.5 band. If you're looking for online IELTS classes, then do contact us. The best part of our batch is that we teach a very limited set of students at a session. This gives the much needed one-on-one interaction between the teacher and the student. For more details, check out the description of this video. And finally, subscribe to our channel as we will be posting a lot of videos that will help you in your preparation of IELTS as well as spoken English.